crazy. Like,
I want Daisy Dash 1 in blue.
Right.
Instead of the Alcantara.
Yeah, the 765 LT. Yeah,
I want leather instead of the Alcantara.
Okay. You get a little rev. Alright guys, so today we're heading out to my first car show that I've gone to all year. Like, since 2023 started, I really haven't had time to really do anything other than like take care of the kids, the family, and just work. And you know, this is like the first time I'm actually getting ready to go do something enjoyable kind of for myself and, you know, for you guys. So we're going to Coastal Auto Show and Rally. I forgot, Coastal Carolina Auto Show. Yeah, we'll just say a Coastal Carolina Auto Show. We're heading to one of their shows. I know normally they show really good, they have really good like car shows and events and stuff on the Space Coast. So we're heading out there. We're taking a Porsche. Oh, wow, look at me. I'm already projecting. I was about to say we're taking a Porsche. But we're taking the Camaro out to head up there. And we're going to meet up with Joey and his Ferrari and check out some other friends. And yeah, man, it's just going to be a fun time. So come along. Hope you guys enjoy this one. All right, guys, we just made it out to the show. And yeah, man, it's been a while since I've been at a car show. So just checking out everything that they got here right now. So far, looks like pretty cool. It looks like a fun, chill, like, SS. I think this is like the old school SS1 Elite. Yeah, like I even like the wheels on these. Check that out. Yeah, these old school SS1 Elites. I had one. I had a 2013 SS1 Elite. I miss it. I want to get another one. Let's see what else we got out here. All right. Shout out to the Super Game. Got a WRX. Got the Audi. Got the BMW. Ooh, another SS and drop top. Okay. BMW gang. Ford. Got a RT. Man, okay, somebody's making noise. Let's go see what this is about. That sounds like a Supra. Alright, got the GTR gang. By the way, Joey's out here too, so we gotta go see him in a little bit. Got the exotics over here. And check these out. Dude, all they make you out, man. Record it, man. Where's your part?
View right here.
Yeah. That's how it's supposed to be. This shit dope. It's swag. It's different than what the other niggas been doing, man. Let's do it. Now what we came to do right here is show them something a little different. Yeah. Come to the mic. Yeah.
Hey, chain so yellow like that thing been peed on. Shoes colorful, look like I stomped in some crayons. Dudes mad at me cause they can't be on what we be on. I tell them they some peons, kick rocks and be gone. My bracelet is dumb bright, shine like the sunlight. If you gon' come at me, boy, you better come right. I ain't Bow Wow, but I'm feeling just like Mike. And they like Tyson, I feel they just might bite. On my style or the way I rock polar ice. They be on my jock and I don't even do the motorbike. Old school fresh pimp, some like Dolomite. Flies to the flies, yup, show you right. Something like a car, the way the chicks like to see my pipe. I could rock a crowd like my nickname was Money Mike. Bars so sick, get my flow rap mummy tight. Piggy can't mess with a chick unless a tummy tight. Feeling like Tom Cruise, whip color vanilla sky. Go and walk it out, baby, show me what you're talking about. Sold me at West, but I wanna see you down south. Changing up the game, man, go and bring the crown out. And I ain't talking hip hop, I'm talking drink, man. Nice so big, make the Titanic sink again. Think you running the game, you better go and think again. It's so cold, make a nigga bring a blanket on.
Go hey, I don't really give a damn what you think. I'ma keep taking money to the bank. Brush my shoulders off and let my chain hang. I'm on my fly boy shit, I'm on my fly boy shit. I'm on my fly boy shit, I'm on my fly boy shit. I'm on my fly boy shit, I'm on my fly boy shit. I'm on my fly boy shit, I'm on my fly boy shit.
I'm so dope.
back like aviators and beepers. Girls bat their eyes every time that they see us. Jesus on my shirt, Cavalli fur on the sneakers. They hate that I'll be killing, man, they call me the Reaper. Sleeper, I be leaning like the Tower of Pisa. Paparazzi trying to catch you while I'm living La Vida. Loca, the shoes look like they're covered in mocha. So that's why I swing low like Sammy the Sosa. They be hating on my swag cause I'm so extravagant. Haters stand still while I'm moving in the wind. Rags around my neck while I'm chauffeured in the bin. Red Fox on the skull with the UV ray lens. Kaleidoscopes in my grill, scared of stones in my earlobes. My mind is on yachts and yours is sailing on a steamboat. Hot shit you couldn't recognize as if it was the juice in my drink. The chick is mesmerized, so get it right.
Gon' hate. I don't really give a damn what you think. I'ma keep taking money to the bank. Brush my shoulders off and let my chain hang. I'm on my fly boy shit, I'm on my fly boy shit. I'm on my fly boy shit, I'm on my fly boy shit. I'm on my fly boy shit, I'm on my fly boy shit. I'm on my fly boy shit, I'm on my fly boy shit.
Got the Camaro pulling out. What's up, man? Gorgeous color. It's a rapid blue, right?
Oh, sorry, can you?
I said it's rapid blue, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love this color, man.
Yeah, they go, man. They get in the dealership. You gotta get there quick. There they go.
I know. I tried getting one, but it's too difficult nowadays. Now they're marking them up and everything, you know.
I got a good deal on this one.
Yeah? Well, congrats, man.
I had to look for a while. If you look for a while, you'll find it.
You'll find them? All right, man. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm just gonna record you like pulling out. You're good. Huh? Okay. Got Super Gang. Woo! Nice. Alright. And I don't even know what the call is. But this is nice. Hellfire. Ooh, okay. Can't sleep on the Mazdas. Got a Mazda Miata in a beautiful purple. Man, this is beautiful. I wish they made these bigger. Like, this is gorgeous. Guys, let me know if you think I should get another 5th gen Camaro SS. Okay. Let's see. Click in and take it off here. Alright. Alright. Yeah, let me know if you think I should get another 5th gen. Woo. And then you got the Civic Type R looking clean, looking real clean out here. You got my car, it's all dirty. Got another 6th gen SS1 Elite here. This looks beautiful. Yeah, this might be a 2018 or like 2017, 2018 type deal. It's nice though. So look at the front. See the front end on these. I actually prefer them compared to the front end on mine. It looks a little bit different. And there goes the old car that I had, the Toyota Corolla. But yeah. That Type R looks mean though.